Hi everyone, my name is Johnny and welcome to my unboxing video of the newest knife from Morakniv. It is the Amberg model. So let's go to look. The knife comes in the box. So here it is. This model was released last week. The Amberg is a new series of outdoor knives available in a multiple version with both carbon steel and stainless steel blades. I choose the stainless steel version in the deep forest color, which has a military style look. Let's start with the blade. The blade is made from Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel, hardened to a 58 HRC. The blade length is 10.9 centimeters and the thickness is 3.2 millimeters, which makes it one of the thickest blades in the Mora knife lineup. The blade features a Scandinavian grind, making it excellent for woodworking tasks. The spine is sharp and ready to be used with a ferro rod. The blade looks identical to the one from the Morakniv Bushcraft series, so based on that, I would say the Amberg it is a successor. The handle is made of 3 layers of plastic. The core consists of a hard polymer, while the outer layer is rubberized to prevent slipping and ensure a secure grip. The handle also features guards at both the top and the bottom, preventing your hand from slipping onto the blade. This part also helps the knife lock securely into the sheath. At the end of the handle there is a lanyard hole. The blade is inserted into the handle to approximately 3/4 of its length, and I must say the knife feels comfortable and secure in hand. So, and there's plastic sheet. So, the plastic sheath has a completely new design, consists of 2 parts, the main sheath body and an additional mounting system. A belt loop included into the package attaches to this sliding system. The belt loop moves on a pivot, so the knife should not restrict your movement while walking. There is also an optional clip available for purchase, which can be attached not only to a belt but also directly to your pants. It is expected to be sold separately as a part of mounting accessory set, similar to the Morakniv Bushcraft lineup. When you want to remove this second part of plastic sheet, you have to press here like this and press the knife down. So, and the sheet is suitable for both left and right-handed users. You simply rotate it within the mounting system as needed. The knife locks into place really well. It is secure. The design is interesting. Personally, I would prefer in the knife were sold with the clip included, since I don't often wear a belt. The mounting system also features holes for attaching straps to a mount system. And for who is this knife? So my stainless steel version is suitable for people looking for an outdoor knife for woodworking, bushcraft activities, or even as a survival knife. Thanks to the stainless steel blade, it is also suitable for food preparation. The Scandinavian grind is not ideal for slicing food. For this reason, the Amberg is expected to be available in a version with a flat grind, which would make it better choice as a camping knife or for food preparation in camp, and potentially for hunters as well. The base version will also be available with a carbon steel blade under the name Amberg Black. This version features a black coating designed to protect the blade from corrosion. This surface treatment is identical to the blackened carbon blade found on the Morakniv Amberg. I will also tell you the weight of the knife. So the weight of the knife is 120 grams, and with the sheath it is 168 grams. And I forgot to say that the price of the knife is stainless steel version is for about 49 euros and the carbon steel version about 65 euros. So that is all for today. In the coming days I will take it out for some field testing, so you can expect a full review of the Amberg soon, as well as the newest Morakniv Amberg models that are already here and they are waiting for us. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos, and it also helps to support my YouTube channel. So see you next time and happy adventuring!